Deutsche Lufthansa is the largest German airline, and, when combined with its subsidiaries, also the largest airline in Europe, both in terms of passengers carried and fleet size. It operates services to 18 domestic destinations and 197 international destinations in 78 countries across Africa, the Americas, Asia, and Europe. In 2014, the group carried over 106 million passengers. Besides its own passenger airlines, it includes Austrian Airlines, Swiss International Airlines, and Eurowings, including Germanwings. Deutsche Lufthansa also owns several aviation-related companies, such as Lufthansa Technik as a part of Lufthansa Group. Lufthansa's registered office and corporate headquarters are in Cologne. The main operation base is at Lufthansa's primary hub at Frankfurt Airport. In 2014, 60% of Lufthansa's shares were held by institutional investors. The remaining 40% were held by individual stock owners.
2015 total assets were 22,249,000, more than those from 2014, which were 20,721,000. 82.7% of the assets are non-current assets, and 12,911,000 are financial investments. And in the liabilities in 2015, there were 10,845,000, one more million than in 2014.
Lufthansa's total income in 2015 was 20,118 million euros, and the profit though was just 1,034 million euros. This is partially due to some of the most relevant expenses, like the 10,393 million euro cost of materials and services, the 2,827 million euro cost of the staff, or the 3,959 million euro in other operating expenses. Other main figures we can see in the income statement are that the traffic revenue was 15,314 million euros, and the revenue minus the cost of operating expenses 614 million euros.
So let's have a look to the Lufthansa cash flow statement for the year 2015. If we start from the operating activities, we can see the net income before extraordinaries amounting to 2 billion euros. Depreciation amounting 1.7 billion, funds from operation 2.9 billion, and the net cash flow of 3.4 billion. If we pass to the investing activities, we have a capital expenditure of 2.8 billion euros, purchase of investment 2 billion euros, sale of investment 1.2 billion, and the net investing cash flow amounting to 3.6 billion. And to finish, we can have a look to the financial activities with a reduction of debt amounting 300 million, other funds amounting 600 million, and the net financial cash flow amounting 300 million euros.